One of the key things was that the materials that we sourced are from the area, and that goes back into kind of the cycle thing. So we got bamboo from behind HBO, which is the guest house that we have, and also behind Hackerfarm. And this is on someone's land, but we got permission to be able to cut. And some of the interesting things with this is that there's, which ties into the local knowledge, is that when you cut bamboo, you cut it about 1 metre up, because the plant still thinks that it's growing and it brings up nutrients, but then it eventually rots, and that means that there's less chance that it will come back in spring.
One of the things is that bamboo is considered a pest crop, and so you actually want to get rid of it, because once it starts growing, then it'll just grow everywhere, and then it's really hard to get rid of it.
Yeah, but aesthetically it's also quite nice as well. So
it's a free resource.
Yeah. And so it's actually really interesting when you go into a shop and you see bamboo sort of holders, and you're like, oh, I could make that. Let's have a look at how they've done it. So you start to see things a bit differently. This is... we should bring some pandas. We'll have a little panda area on the flight. Yeah.
No pandas in Japan.
Be a bit hot for them. This is where we got the momigata from, which we needed for the raised beds. Again, that sort of brought us closer to the community through someone.
For those that don't know what momigata is, they're rice husks, which when the rice gets processed, the brown rice gets processed, then the husk is removed, and basically kind of the momigata is a waste product of like the rice processing that you see. So the white rice starts off as brown rice, and then the brown part is taken away. That's momigata.
And cow poop. And this is Adrian's face when he saw it. So, do you want to talk about compost?
The next one is, well, because yes, it's not fully composted. Still, you see, hot is steam. What you see, say it was 80% composted. It wasn't that smelly. I mean, but it wasn't fully composted. When you touch full composted thing, it's just like soil and has a very nice smell. This wasn't the case exactly, but still we were able to transport without much difficulty, and this helps a lot. So the materials we get where it was available. I mean, we didn't have the opportunity to choose so many sources, but it was good because some people commenting, we need straw, we need this, and some people offer, I bring you and prepare a small present to give to the owner, and then allow you to take as much as you want, and so on. So all this, again, personal interrelation plus the nice materials.
Yeah, and it gets back into the cycle because it's really valuable stuff. But if it's too fresh, it can burn the roots of the plant because there's too much nitrogen. We have to talk up too. We have to speak loud. So this is us gathering materials, some steaming, flying poop. Poop, compost. And as we realised how much we needed, we sort of upgraded the machinery. So this is Adrian borrowing one of the tractors from a group that have got a place out there. He's driving, yeah.
This is the other location.
Yeah. So this is, yeah. We cleaned it. We cleaned it.
Actually dump the poop straight into the back of the truck.
Well, we put a cover on it so we could drag it down.
The first time they did it, they didn't put the cover on, and so we had to clean all the poop.
So you learn a lot as you do. So it was February, so we wanted to get some potatoes in. So we basically put the pure compost onto the soil. First we found a tractor in the field that we needed to fix, and then we could take. So
basically the soil is very clayey, it was a bit compacted because the way they manage, and not exactly why they grow before. So we were not sure about so many different conditions, but we tried to improve quick to use this first season without waiting one more season. So basically we till like 20 centimeter, we mix with the compost to enrich the organic matter, and then we make beds like say 20 to 30 centimeter. So we bring the soil into the middle, like 90 centimeter width bed, to make a good soil bed, and also this allows that excess rain drain faster. So we control the water, the humidity, and the soil softness, basically using this way, doing this way immediately.
Yeah. So
we use this machine.
And this is the machine. But another interesting thing is I think Massa put a call out for people who had old tractors, and we got about 4 or 5 farmers saying, come and take ours, it's over in the field over there. And so it was a bit of a mission to get the tractor onto the K-truck and get the tractor off the K-truck, but we managed
but again,
it.
for free, just a small maintenance, and we get the machines.
For free. And so here we are, here I'm learning how to use it. We had 1 or 2 problems where the tractor would then just lurch off. Luckily, we had a ditch at the end, so it just went into the ditch and we tried it again. So we still need to do a little bit of maintenance. But it is actually quite interesting when you start using the bigger machinery, because you realise like safety, you have to be really careful.